Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, so your device will be allowed to actually check for the updates. And then let's enter the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And as you can see here we've got the system update option, so let's tap. As you can see, here we've got the information that our system is up to date. However, let's pretend that we do not really believe our device. So let's simply tap on check for update. And that's why you need the internet connection, as I said previously. So here we've got the first scenario which we can really meet after checking for the updates, that our system is up to date. Your device will of course show you the information about the system we've got currently applied. And the second scenario which you can meet is that the system needs to be updated. Your device will show you the new updates, so what has been fixed, for example, what has been added, what kind of new things are applied in the new update, and you will be able to simply tap on download or install or update, and your device will simply download the update and apply it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.